So today I decided to start work on this European beech tree. It's going to need a hard cutback to reduce in height and width. And here the roots are not ideal, so ground layering or air layering will be needed in spring to correct the root base. And that's that tree's work done for now. It can only improve in time with more work and dedication.